Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Nnamdi. If it's your first time getting in contact with me, I welcome you today. All right guys, let's watch the video now.
mmadụ bịakwanụ lelee na ọ sịkwugo na nwa mara ihe kpatara ndị mmadụ anara ala ka ime ihe mgbe ọ ga-adịrị ha na mfe. Mgbe a na-agwa ndị a release Nnamdi ha jụrụ ajụ. Ugbu a mata dị n'isi Nnamdi akarịgo. Okwu abụọzikwa obere okwu. Ọnọdụ Nnamdi Kanu ugbu a dịzikwa ka keesi ijiji bere n'utu. Amara ihe a ga-emezi ya eme irelease ya ugbu a adịghịzi mfe. Idetenzikwana ya tazi njọ. Ọnọdụ Nnamdi Kanu n'ugbu a n'ebe Nigerian gọọmenti nọ wụzi keesi ijiji bere n'utu. Ịpịawa akpa amụ. Kire ya onye ugwu a kwuru ebe a na-agwa gị na okwu abụrụ obere okwu. Onye ọbụla na-etizi mkpu nna m pụtazienu mana o nwere condition o nyere ebe ahụ na ọ ma pụta just like that. Ị ma akwacha m aka gwa m ebe m ga-ada. Nwanna jiri nnọọ nwayọ watch ya vidio a ma fesara m ya.
One major priority area in the southeast, which I think will cool off a great deal of nerves, is for us to bring out Kanu, that gentleman. Pull him out. Stop this incarceration. I know some of his pronouncements or maybe lines of actions and so on were offensive to the Nigerian state, and there was a need maybe to take certain actions. But you see, Nigeria itself is a family. That's my picture of Nigeria. When parts of the family feel offended, as a father, as parents, you sit the gentleman down, you sit the child down, and try to find out what are the problems. How do I help you? You don't like the Christmas shoe we bought for you? Okay, we'll get you a new one. Would that solve the problem? You don't like this meal? Can we fix another meal for you? Can we start talking with Kanu? Can we start talking with IPOP? Can we start talking with other groups? I think a conversation with some of these teams would go a long way in addressing the problem. We mustn't at all time apply the stick. Bring in some carrot at times. And let's see a carrot and stick diplomacy at play. Okay? We can do that. And I think if we do that, the southeast, the situation in the southeast will be highly doused, frankly speaking. All right? Further incarceration only make him more and more relevant, only heightened the heroship over him. He is a hero now, whether we want to accept it or not. And we made him the hero. We have made him a hero in the southeast. If he comes out now, he's wise. He can contest for governorship in any of the states. Nobody will be asking whether he's from that state.
Dịka onye ozizi were njem ya kịta ka anyị kelee nwanne anyị nwoke wụ St. Agbaranze na ndị ọzọ niile na-agba mbọ one way or the other ime ka Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pụta ka Biafra nwere onwe ha. Ka onye nwe anyị gozie unu na-echekwa unu n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Ngwa subscribe, like, share.